Good evening all, I am Nimi, one of the OET aspirants from Edu Skills family. Thank you for the Salil and all admin members for giving me this opportunity to share my learning experience in this platform. Today I am going to deal with the question number 7, 8, 9 in listening part A. So this question is coming under small subheading dermatological symptoms. So here in the first question number 7, wound slow to heal and there is one comma. So it means our question is not about the wound slow to heal. So this is some another. Then our question is on the thighs. It's related to the thigh. Then the next question, face appears red in color and again there is a comma. So it's not related to the color or anything on the face. So our keyword here is area on neck. So something related to the neck. And next question is keyword reason develop.
Oh yes, it seems to bruise at the slightest thing. And I've noticed that if I get a cut or a scratch or something, it takes ages to heal. And something else I've spotted on my thighs, see here, are these stretch marks. Ah yes, they're quite noticeable because they're a mal-purple colour. My face has changed too, used to have quite pale skin, but as you can see it's quite red now. And it looks, well, puffy. I mean, it never used to look like that.
Okay. So there's been quite a change.
Oh, definitely. And if you look here, on my neck, the skin's gone dark. Really odd. I don't know what's happening. And though I never really had it before, I've now got acne into the bargain.
While listening the audio, we can see cut or scratch for something, it takes ages to heal. So this is the wound slow to heal. So next is our answer option is coming from the next sentence onwards. And something else I have spotted on my thighs. See here, this is stretch mark. So the thighs have stretch mark. So stretch mark is the answer. Then the question number 8, we can see the sentence, my face has changed to fused to have quite pale skin, but as you can see has a quite red now. So this is the face appears red in color. We have no answer from there. Then after that continue listening, we can see the female person is telling, oh definitely, and if you look here on my neck the skin gone dark. So here the neck skin is going to dark. Our answer is dark. And next, really odd, I don't know what's happening and though I never really had it before. I have now got, this is the reason develop, acne into the bargain. So the next answer is acne, the recent development of acne. So here the synonyms used appears, changed to, recent developed, now got, and the contrast but. I hope all of you have got the answer. Thank you for listening me.